Hello, myself Kiran Sharma welcomes you. In this video I will show you some of the page layout options like setting the margins, changing the page orientation and changing the page size. Now if you want to know all these options, then stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's begin. Select the page layout tab. Under the page layout tab you will see the options margin, orientation and size. So let's see the margin option. Click on this down arrow. You will see a list of predefined margin settings. You can select from here, and if you want to customize it, click on this custom margins. The page setup dialog will open, and from here you can change the top, bottom, left, right margins as well as the gutter margin also. Now from here you can select the up arrow and the down arrows respectively to increase or decrease the margin settings, like or you can use a down headed arrow to decrease it, or you can type it also, enter it. Now from here also you can change the orientation. Two types of orientations are available, that is portrait and landscape. Portrait is a vertical orientation, landscape is a horizontal orientation. The same orientation option you will get it from here also, and you can set the margins and then click on the OK button to apply the settings. Now to change the size, click on this arrow and you will see the list of all the sizes available. You can select from here. By default A4 size is selected, which is normally used, and you can select as per your requirement, like letter. If you are taking printout of any legal stationery, then you can use this legal option. Then you have a list of a variety of envelope options you can select from here. So the list goes on, and to see more options you can select on this more paper size. This page setup dialog again opens up, and from here you can select the options from this list and then click on OK. So this is it. This way the margin is set and the page orientation, page size is set. If you find this video worth watching, then share it with your friends, give a like and add a comment also to let me know what you want to see in upcoming videos in this Microsoft Word tutorial series. Subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe. Bye bye.